My name is Michelle Thompson, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Earth, Atmospheric, and Planetary Sciences at Purdue University. The DART mission, DART stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test, and this is the first NASA mission which is really focused on planetary defense. So many of you have probably seen the movie Armageddon, where there's an asteroid hurtling through space on a collision course with Earth. So instead of NASA sending drillers with explosives, we are sending a spacecraft to impact the surface of an asteroid and see if we could move it off of a collision course with Earth by changing its orbit. So this is going to be our first true test of our planetary defense capabilities. So we hope to learn whether this idea of impacting an asteroid with a spacecraft is a really effective way of changing its orbital path and moving it off of a collision course with Earth. This is really important because we don't always have a lot of advanced warning when these asteroids are making their way into near-Earth space. The sky is really big. There's a lot of space to be trying to watch all of the time, and so being able to be prepared with a solution will be important if we ever get ourselves into an Armageddon-like situation. So this asteroid is actually an asteroid system composed of two different asteroids, Didymus and Dimorphos. And Dimorphos is a really small asteroid that's orbiting around Didymus, kind of like the moon orbits around the Earth. And these asteroids were selected because they're in a perfect location, perfect orientation to be able to observe the spacecraft impact with telescopes here on Earth. So we can watch very precisely how the orbit of Dimorphos is changing after it's been impacted. And this is really exciting because it's our first opportunity to test what our planetary defense capabilities are. I should also say that there's absolutely no risk of this asteroid being on a collision course with Earth now or after we perform the redirection test, and so it's a low risk, high reward opportunity to test our capabilities. The impact is going to happen on September 26 at exactly 7:14 p.m., but NASA will be live streaming the event and they'll have coverage in the hours leading up to the impact. They're going to have experts from the mission science team as well as from headquarters talking about how important this mission is not only for planetary science but for security and planetary defense here on Earth.